Hi guys, so today I thought I would do kind of a Valentine's Day get ready with me. My husband and I actually went out last night, so the night before Valentine's Day, just because he has to work on Valentine's Day, which is fine, like we don't really celebrate holidays anyways. So we just went out to a nice fancy dinner, got all dressed up and snazzy, and it was actually a lot of fun. And I wasn't expecting my makeup to come out like this, but I really liked it, and he really did too. Like, he is honestly so good about telling me if he likes my makeup or not, and last night he really liked it. So I thought I would recreate it for you guys just because it honestly made me feel super sexy, because it's like this smoky, sultry type look, but it's got some glitter in there. It's just kind of the whole package all in one, and it's great. I'm wondering if I should like do more videos like this, kind of like just like a quick get ready with me type thing, not necessarily have me be talking through the whole thing, because I know I can talk a lot. And I feel like those videos, like especially my Ipsy bag and the Allure box reviews, I know that they are very short videos. So if you guys like this type of video more, just let me know down below. And also if you guys want to see bloopers, because I know that a lot of people do it, and I promise you I have some gold level bloopers. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys get into the video. Also, please give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe, and let's just go ahead and get started.
my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.